Understanding being at loggerheads. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, being at loggerheads. This expression might sound a bit strange at first, but it's quite common in English conversations and writing. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Being at loggerheads refers to a situation where two or more parties are involved in a stiff and stubborn conflict or disagreement. When people are at loggerheads, they are unable to see eye to eye or find common ground. This phrase is often used to describe disputes where neither side is willing to compromise or change their position. The term loggerheads originally referred to a tool used in the past, specifically a large iron ball attached to a handle. It was used for various purposes, including heating liquids. The connection between this tool and the phrase's current meaning is a bit murky, but it's believed that the term came to symbolize stubbornness and confrontation because of the tool's heavy and unwieldy nature. To help you understand how to use being at loggerheads in conversation, here are a few examples. The two politicians have been at loggerheads over the new policy for weeks, with no sign of agreement. After months of being at loggerheads, the company and the union finally reached a compromise. My roommate and I are at loggerheads about who should do the dishes tonight. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, from formal political disagreements to everyday personal conflicts. For English language learners, it's important to remember that being at loggerheads is an idiomatic expression. This means it cannot be understood through its individual words but must be learned as a whole phrase. Also, it's more commonly used in formal or semi-formal contexts, so it's perfect for writing or discussions where you want to impress with your command of English expressions. And that's a wrap on being at loggerheads. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing phrase and that you feel more confident using it in your English conversations. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a great way to enrich your language skills and sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.